This message is brought to you by the Eastern Cape Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform. The department warns farmers and land users about the outbreak of the migratory brown locust in some parts of the province. Affected areas in the Eastern Cape are parts of Chris Hani, Sarah Bartman, Joe Gabi, and Amatole districts. Brown locust is known as migratory pest in South Africa. Outbreaks of the brown locust are a threat to a sheep grazing rangeland and to planted crops, fruits and vegetables. To manage and control the plague, Dr. Da is working closely with the National Department in training farmers to be sprayers or exterminators. It provides chemicals, protective clothing and spraying equipment. The department urges farmers to remove livestock from spray camps for 10 to 14 days. Cropping fields and gardens should be visited for 10 to 14 days after spraying as well. Dr. Da will continue to educate and inform the public about the brown locust outbreak through the awareness campaigns.